Introducing a high-temperature welding glue that's perfect for all your repair needs. Whether it's pipes, cylinders, or metal surfaces, this powerful adhesive delivers strong, waterproof bonds and seals leaks effortlessly. It's designed to tackle metal repairs with precision and unmatched reliability. And remember, this glue isn't just tough, it's affordable, so don't miss out. Order today to get an exclusive discount and experience the quality everyone's talking about. Tap the yellow basket now before it's gone.